My battle with cellulite, I think, began at birth. I think I came out and I looked like a Michelin man. I had the chubby thighs and they just never went away. In a way, it's superficial, but it's also something that's very painful. To have to feel like you have to cover part of yourself up so no one will see it, that's something I want to deal with once and for all now. I definitely carry a lot of trauma and feeling shameful about letting anyone see it, including boyfriends and, you know, men that I've been with. When I was younger, I was fairly active. I became a cheerleader, and that was quite fun. That was for the Edmonton Eskimos. That was a long time ago. I definitely used to be in front of the crowd. Cheerleading, I was, you know, in front of 60,000 people. And then it went from that to feeling invisible. Any woman who is overweight knows that feeling. Men look right through you and don't see you, and you know you have a lot of love to give and you know you're a good person, and they just look right through you. It's hard. So I just came in to see Dr. Aaron Hu for my mesotherapy consultation.
I understand that, you know, mesotherapy was something that you're interested in.
Mesotherapy, I've researched it quite a bit. I really feel like that's something that I need to explore and find out more about.
Mesotherapy is a wonderful treatment, and it basically involves microinjections of natural ingredients. How that works is that it just promotes the circulation and the removal of fat through your lymphatic system. Eventually, the fat tissue or adipose tissue gets emulsified and gets cleared through the kidney, through your urine.
So it's on the front and the back of my thigh.
Okay, so right along here.
Yeah, it really starts at my knee and just kind of goes up my whole thigh now.
Okay, this looks to me like an intermediate type of cellulite tissue that we're dealing with here.
Okay. From what you've seen now today, do you think that my type of cellulite, the intermediate, is treatable? Is it something that will be noticeable that I've...
Yes, yes. I'm quite confident that it will be noticeably changed and improved. I would anticipate that you'll need about 10 treatments, you know, over time.
And you're saying that's once a week?
It's generally once a week, yeah. So we'll be doing once a week for 10 weeks. Okay?
And I can go right back to work after? Or
yeah, there's no downtime necessary. Sure.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
okay.
It's perfectly fine.
Thank you.
Okay, good.
Could I kiss you right now?
Sure.
I've definitely made a decision to go with Dr. Hu for my treatment. I just have the really good instinct about him, and I think it'll be really beneficial. I decided on mesotherapy treatments with Dr. Hu. I really felt that he knew exactly what I wanted and needed. I felt comfortable with him.
You're gonna feel a slight pinch. That's very normal. Okay.
Well, it was a little painful at times, but very quick. So the treatment lasted about 10 to 20 minutes. We concentrated mostly on the old saddlebags, mostly on the back and sides. I'm aware about the controversy about mesotherapy, that it works, it doesn't work, but for me, for what I wanted to accomplish, I felt that it was the best thing for me to do.
Part and parcel of your goal of losing some weight, I'm also going to be supporting you with nutritional program. I'm recommending for you a medical food, basically a medical formulation that has been clinically proven to have an effect for helping you shift your body composition. Black cohosh is a wonderful herb that has been used for centuries, specifically for the purpose of balancing women's hormones.
I'm excited about the rest of the treatments. I have about 8 more to go, and I'm looking forward to seeing what's going to happen in the end. Walking around in my panties for the after photos, I just felt like I'm not at that place anymore. I didn't want to do it when I first came in because I felt really embarrassed and kind of humiliated. Today, I just wanted to get it over with because I am so past that now. I feel like it's not the whole reason that I'm doing this anymore. I could never see the end before. I could never see the final result, and I always wanted that. I just wanted cellulite-free body. Now it doesn't matter as much. I'm not stepping on the scale as much or even at all. The cellulite is definitely less noticeable. The combination of diet, exercise, and the mesotherapy, not just one thing, I don't think. Man, I wish I would have started this years ago. I wish I would have known this feeling, what I could accomplish, what my body could do, what I could not even look like, but what I could feel like. I'm doing things I never thought I could do. I feel like I've really changed my life. I've started on a good path, and I don't see myself going back to where I was at all. I don't feel invisible anymore.